Join me as I dive into the core concepts of business analysis and see if I can master them all before 2024. In this video, you'll learn about the core concepts of business analysis and why they are essential for success in 2024. Many organizations struggle with aligning their projects to business goals, leading to wasted resources and missed opportunities. This can be frustrating, especially when you consider the amount of time and effort that goes into these projects. Without a clear understanding of the business needs, projects can end up delivering solutions that don't meet the intended objectives. This not only wastes resources but also leads to lost opportunities and missed deadlines. As a result, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the business goals and objectives to ensure that projects are aligned with them. Furthermore, it's crucial to identify the stakeholders involved and ensure that their needs are taken into account. The consequences of poor business analysis can be far-reaching, leading to project delays, cost overruns, and even project cancellations. This can have a significant impact on the organization's reputation and bottom line. Therefore, it's essential to get business analysis right to ensure that projects deliver the desired outcomes. We'll explore key concepts such as stakeholder analysis, requirements elicitation, and process mapping, providing insights into how they contribute to effective business analysis. The Business Analysis Core Concept Model, or BAC, provides a conceptual framework for business analysis that is comprised of 6 terms that have a common meaning to all business analysis practitioners. These concepts are common to all business analysis practitioners, and they can apply to any domain and any level in the organization. The 6 concepts of the model are change, need, solution, stakeholder, value, and context. Change refers to the act of transformation in response to a need. A need is a problem or opportunity to be addressed. A solution is a specific way of satisfying one or more needs in a context. A stakeholder is a group or individual with a relationship to the change, the need, or the solution. Value refers to the worth, importance, or usefulness of something to a stakeholder within a context. Finally, context refers to the circumstances that influence, are influenced by, and provide understanding of the change. The turning point in successful business analysis lies in effective communication and collaboration, which can make or break a project. When stakeholders are engaged and involved throughout the project lifecycle, they are more likely to buy into the solution and provide the necessary support for its implementation. Effective communication ensures that all stakeholders are on the same page, reducing the risk of misunderstandings and miscommunications. It's essential to use various communication channels and techniques to reach different stakeholders, ensuring that the message is conveyed in a way that is easy for them to understand. Collaboration is critical in business analysis as it brings together different stakeholders with diverse perspectives and expertise. When stakeholders collaborate, they are able to identify and address potential issues earlier on, reducing the risk of project delays and cost overruns. Collaboration also fosters a sense of ownership and accountability, encouraging stakeholders to take an active role in the project's success. By working together, stakeholders can develop a shared understanding of the business needs and objectives, ensuring that the project delivers the desired outcomes. Effective communication and collaboration require a range of skills, including active listening, empathy, and conflict resolution. Business analysts must be able to communicate complex ideas in a way that is easy for stakeholders to understand, taking into account their different levels of understanding and expertise. They must also be able to facilitate collaboration and negotiation, ensuring that all stakeholders are aligned with the project's objectives. To wrap up, we've covered the vital role of business analysis in bridging the gap between stakeholders and delivering value. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our next video on advanced business analysis techniques and share your thoughts in the comments.